Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the right needle and trimming the thread. This reduces bulk and prevents snags. Once chosen, angle the thread tip to a sharp 45 degrees and hold it taut between finger and thumb so fibers stay together. Position the threading device so its opening aligns parallel to the needle eye. This alignment is crucial because the device's loop must pass cleanly through the eye without bending the needle. Make small, steady movements. Rushed alignment causes missed attempts, and you now seat the needle completely in the device guide. Proper seating stabilizes the eye and prevents wobble. Once seated, depress the plunger in a controlled motion so the fine wire loop projects through the eye. This loop is small so steady pressure matters. Feed the trimmed thread tip into that loop. Make sure fibers are centered to avoid slipping. Then retract the plunger slowly while keeping the thread steady. The loop pulls the thread back through the eye cleanly and reliably. You finish by pulling 1 to 2 centimeters of thread through the needle eye and securing it for your stitch. This prevents immediate slippage. If the loop misses the eye, stop and retrim the tip to remove fuzz, then realign the device parallel to the needle. Misalignment is the usual cause. If the tiny wire loop bends or fails to extend, replace that component or switch to manual threading temporarily. Keep calm. Most issues come from angle or a fuzzy tip, both easy to fix.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.